Hi, my name is Susan Tognazzini. I heard about Cellustrious through a very dear friend of mine who is a rep, and she knows about everything going on out there and especially all the good stuff.
What was the main reason you decided to try Cellustrious professional training?
Like to help women with all aspects, and men, of course, of all aspects of the concerns of what's going on with them. And a lot of times it has been hair loss or thinning of hair. And I wanted to make sure that I could find the best solution for them.
With the training provided, what do you see as being the biggest benefit?
My experience with this during the training was that there really is no pain involved, and that the growth factors that Cellustrious has put into their product are very active. The treatment itself, I believe, will be very quick, very painless, and very results oriented.
What is the projected additional revenue amount from the service and training you predict for your practice?
My hopes is that we can make an extra 100 to 150,000 a year.
And what was your experience like with the training?
Oh my gosh, Misty, the trainer, has been absolutely so thorough and so helpful from beginning to end, from not only the content of the training being the book knowledge, of course, the hands-on, as well as the marketing. It's just been an incredible experience.
Why would you recommend Cellustrious to family or friends?
Because it works. And if they do have a concern about their hair loss, which I do know family members that do, I think it could be life-changing.